and the last practical of and CNS like this that. Only one is available. When motor drive is greater than one, then the steam is unstable, and when motor drive is less than equal to one, the steam is stable. For expression of one and one steam, drive value is there and then the condition in the data equation is condition is stable, and the implicit upon and one steam, the value of drive is there and is also unconditionally stable. For standing out steam, the value of drive is there and is also unconditionally stable. For numerical solution of education in this upon and even steam, here we see that the three color, red color, green color, and yellow color. For the temporal coordinates, for red color t is equal to 30 seconds, and temporal coordinates for green color t is equal to 40 seconds, and temporal coordinates for yellow color t is equal to 50 seconds. They have three increases 30 seconds to 50 seconds. And here also the three-dimensional scheme for FTCS. Here also the limitation of education for which is common and scheme VGCS. Here we will see that the three color green color, red color, and yellow color, and t is equal to 30 seconds for temporal coordinate green color, here t is equal to 40 seconds for temporal coordinate red color, and t is equal to 50 seconds for temporal coordinate for yellow color. And here also shows that the three-dimensional scheme, three-dimensional figure for VGCS. And here also a numerical solution for education for triangular and different schemes. Here we see that the temporal coordinate of red color t is equal to 30 seconds, temporal coordinate of green color t is equal to 40 seconds, temporal coordinate of blue color t is equal to 50 seconds. Here t is increased 30 seconds to 50 seconds, and temperature curve height decreasing and quickly reach in boundary condition. Here also shows that the three-dimensional for CNS. Now, comparison of individual for FTCS and chemical schemes. They are the rate, not a rate.
The review works are review works. অবশ্যই হলো যে এটা তুমি এটা আমি ভিডিও সিস্টেম দিয়ে আমরা শাস্ত্র হাই মানে ভূগোল জিনিস দেখা যায় অসংখ্য পাওয়া যাবে পেপার এবং লাইক দ্যাট সাম অফ দ্য গ্রাফ ইনক্লুডেড এরকম গ্রাফ পাওয়া যাবে এবং ম্যাটল্যাব কোডও পাওয়া যাবে। আমার প্রশ্ন হলো যেটা কি তোমরা নিজেরা করছো বা এখানে যদি তোমাদের কোনো পেপার ভূগোল তোমরা রিভিউ করতে পারো আমরা আন্ডারগ্রাজুয়েট রিভিউ করতে আমি যেটা বলছিলাম আগে একজন প্রেজেন্ট করতে মানে